Hi guys, I'm Acellusday217. So today I'm going to talk about action words. Might know what an action is, right? Like walk, run, swim, eat, these kinds of things, which means you do something like I'm doing right now. And dancing. Not just a silly dance, but it doesn't count as much of an action, and you already know words. You use words in language arts, right? You use words in everything. In everything, just like my shirt. It has AFA. And there are much more things that has words. What are things in your house that has words? Well, we're going to talk about two types of action words. First is singular and plural. Oops, I wrote this. Okay, now it's correct. I accidentally wrote it wrong. Okay, so now let's talk about the singular nouns first. We'll read these sentences first. Jen runs fast, Don ties knots, the dog barks, a snake slithers, mom sings, and dad talks to me. Well, what do these things have in common? Well, we look at the action, the verb. Also, it's an action can also mean a verb. You probably already know that, don't you? Like runs, ties, barks, slithers, sings, talks. When there is one thing or one person, we use the action with the S. That is very different to plural nouns. It's the exact opposite. So we already know about singular nouns. Now let's talk about the plural nouns. You'll find out that it's very opposite to each other, not the exact thing. The men work, the dogs bark, two girls race, our moms smile, the boys rustle, the babies cry. Okay, so now what do these things have in common? Well, they talk about lots of people, two or much more. And let's look at the action words. Work, bark, race, smile, rustle, cry. These, when there is many two or more people, we don't add an S to the action verb. We don't add an S to the actions or the verb. Man, that is also very strange, but it makes more sense for a sentence. Well, let's change. Janet run fast. Does that make sense? No. And the man works. That doesn't even make any sense too. Which it needs to be the man work and Janet runs fast. So today we talked about action words, and now we know how they mean and what they do in a sentence. But before we go, I just want you to remember that singular nouns are sentences. I just want you to know that singular nouns is what two or more people need to add an S to the action verb, and plural nouns. For plural nouns, we need to add an S if it's only one person. No, I mean, oh yeah. Oops, I need to do it over again. First is singular nouns. The singular nouns, you just need to remember that when we do a sentence, when it is one person, we add an S to the action verb. And for plurals, we mustn't add an S when there is two or more people or things. These go for some things. Okay, so now next time when you write something or do something on the computer, find the action words, which is singular nouns and plural nouns.